Hey y'all, so by the title of this video, I'm sure y'all already know what's about to go down. You want to know how I got my nails just like this with no acrylic at home? Just keep on watching. So for starters, starting out just showing y'all all the products I'll be using, starting with this Acetone nail polish remover. Next will be the OPI white nail polish and OPI base coat clear. Next is cuticle oil, some emerald boards, so whatever you call those, some nail glue, a makeup brush with an angle tip, and the nails. So now I'm just going in with one of those nail buffers and just buffing out my nail beds. Yeah, self-explanatory. And this is basically just to remove all oils and everything. You want your acrylic nails to have something to stick to. This prevents the nails from coming off so soon. And yes, these nails can last me for like over a week if I want them to. So now I'm just showing y'all the actual nails that I will be using out of that acrylic nail pack and the numbers. The numbers are sizes, you guys, so yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. And now you're just watching me size the nails, and that's pretty self-explanatory too. But the one thing that I do want you guys to realize, what I am also doing, I'm using that nail to kind of gently push back my cuticle, just to give the whole, thing, just give the nail itself a really clean look. So what y'all are seeing me do now is just use my nail glue and just, hey, pressing the nail on. So basically, yeah, that's just that. And I'm just gonna speed through this part too, so because it's just, everything I'm doing is literally self-explanatory. Now the nails are on. Yes, girl. Now y'all just seeing me buff off, that shininess of the nails. And you're also witnessing me shaping the nail. And me buffing the nail, it was practically, you want the nail polish to be able to adhere to the nail smoothly, seamlessly, with no issues. So now I'm just taking my nail polish and just polishing. And y'all, don't worry about being so neat, because that's what that angled makeup brush is for, and that acetone nail polish remover, that's what that's for, so I don't have a steady hand at all. I shake like a freaking what, so I don't want to offend nobody or whatever, but yeah, I shake hella bad, and I don't have a steady hand. And you can see kind of like I'm just throwing the nail polish on there, but it's still gonna come out bomb, Then of course I'm just letting that dry down a little bit before I apply my base coat, which is the clear OPI nail polish. Letting that dry down a little bit. Now the fun part, just pouring a little bit of that nail polish remover and just taking that angled makeup brush and just cleaning up all the little messy areas. Then I'm going to take my cuticle oil and I'm just going to, lay that on the cuticles of my nails. And voila, there you have it, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps, it's free or whatever, but yeah, anyway, stay tuned for more. I got more videos coming. Bye, babe.